1. After 5 minutes of struggling with a painfully sluggish device, you finally manage to close the offending application. What's the best next step? A. Reopen the application and hope it doesn't freeze again. B. Uninstall the application and look for a replacement. C. Perform a soft reset and see if the app runs smoothly afterward. D. Close all open applications and attempt to reopen the application to see if it freezes again. Answers: C. After 5 minutes of struggling with a painfully sluggish device, definitely perform a soft reset and see if the app runs smoothly afterward. 2. Which of the following would be a legitimate reason a mobile device is running slowly? A. Incorrect calibration. B. RAM too slow. C. Lack of storage space. D. Incorrect version of application. Answers: C. Lack of storage space would be a legitimate reason a mobile device is running slowly. 3. Joyce notices her GPS map app gives the error GPS coordinates not available. What should she try first? A. Run another GPS app. B. Stop and start GPS on the mobile device. C. Move to a place where she can get a good GPS signal. D. Update the mobile device's firmware. Answers: C. Joyce needs to move to a place where she can get a good GPS signal. 4. You've lost your iPhone. What would you use to try to find it? A. iTunes. B. iFind. C. Location services. D. iCloud. Answers: D. Apple's iPhone uses the Find My iPhone feature of iCloud. 5. Fred wants to play World of Warcraft on his desktop system. He logs in and then the game asks for a code that is generated by an authenticator app on his Android phone. This is an example of A. Multi-factor authentication. B. Factor authorization. C. Multi-factor authorization. D. Factor authentication. Answers: A. Using both a password and a security code is an example of multi-factor authentication. 6. Jailbreaking an iPhone gives access to A. the administrator account. B. the root account. C. the /bin folder. D. the system BIOS. Answers: B. Jailbreaking is unique to iOS to provide access to the root account. 7. A great way to protect data on a removable media card is to A. Encrypt it. B. Lock it. C. Remove it when unneeded. D. Format it. Answers: A. A great way to protect data on a removable media card is to encrypt it. 8. Which mobile operating system requires a third-party software firewall? A. Android. B. Mac OS. C. Windows Mobile. D. iOS. Answers: A. Only Android requires a third-party software firewall. 9. Users bringing personally owned mobile devices into an enterprise environment is called A. Importing. B. CYMK. C. Providing. D. BIOD. Answers: D. Users bringing personally owned mobile device into an enterprise environment is known as Bring Your Own Device, BIOD. 10. What do app scanners do? A. Scan QR codes and barcodes for hidden codes. B. Analyze the traffic into and out of an application for suspicious behavior. C. Analyze the permissions used by installed applications to highlight security risks. D. Analyze Wi-Fi signals to identify evil twin WAPs. Answers: C. App scanners analyze the permissions used by installed applications to highlight security risks.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najastar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.